Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw TRX from Bitmart to XMO in 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking to move your Tron coins or just wanting to switch exchanges, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. Let's get started. First things first, ensure you have active accounts on both Bitmart and XMO. Double-check that you have some TRX in your Bitmart wallet and that you've noted your XMO wallet address. It's crucial for a smooth transfer. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the Bitmart website, enter your username and password, and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Security is key in the crypto world. Step 2. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. This is usually found in the main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies, including TRX. Step 3. Select TRX from your wallet. Click on it to open the details, then look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out button. This will take you to the withdrawal page. Step 4. Enter your XMO wallet address. Make sure it's the correct TRX address from your XMO account. Copy and paste it to avoid any typos. You'll also need to specify the amount of TRX you want to withdraw, but remember to leave some for network fees. Step 5. Review and confirm the withdrawal. Bitmart will show you a summary of the transaction, including fees and estimated arrival time. If everything looks good, hit confirm and complete any additional security verification, like email or SMS codes. Step 6. Wait for the transaction to process. TRX withdrawals on the Tron network are usually fast, often within minutes, but it can take up to an hour. Keep an eye on your XMO account to confirm the deposit. Finally, once it's done, you're all set. Always monitor your transactions on a blockchain explorer for extra peace of mind. If you run into any issues, reach out to Bitmart or XMO support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.